Press. Aim press die manufacturing to be furthermore optimized on the basis of 3D data. 1. 3D DL expansion. Enhanced functionality aimed at enhancing initial analysis. 2. Enhanced design department. Improve design support functions that support diverse system environments. 3. Automated drawing check. Implementing an automation system using Excel integration. In press nesting for version 2025, two major enhancements have been implemented. 1. Adjustment of X-axis transfer pitch. The X-axis transfer pitch can now be adjusted directly. This function is especially useful in progressive die design, where fine adjustment of the feed pitch in the transfer direction is required. Once the pitch is adjusted, the system automatically recalculates the scrap rate and updates nesting layout accordingly. This allows users to evaluate different layout conditions more efficiently and optimize material utilization with greater speed and accuracy. 2. Saving and reusing calculation results. Nesting calculation results can now be exported and saved in CSV format. The saved results can be imported back. This enables users to store calculation results under different conditions for comparison and later analysis. It improves efficiency when reviewing scrap rates and selecting the most suitable layout condition.
In addition about blank line that's seen in this demo, it can create by another command in function in PressSim. By using function in PressSim together with these improvements, users can further enhance the efficiency of press process analysis and die design.
Next, let us introduce the improvement of the Examine Layout command. This command allows users to examine the 3D die layout during the design process. This makes it possible to visually confirm the layout and positional relationships within the press line. In this version had been added new option about consideration of transport. Using this function, transfer movements between processes can be reproduced using 3D models on the crossbar. The transfer motion follows the specified transport curve, allowing users to check the movement path of the product surface. This also enables interference checking with surrounding components during transfer process. By reproducing transfer motion in 3 dimensions, potential problems that are difficult to detect in traditional 2D layout drawings can be identified earlier. In this version, the command parts part size check has been significantly improved. This command uses partial name matching to automatically identify components between the CAD design and the drawing check database. The system performs 4 critical inspections simultaneously. Position, ensure coordinate accuracy. Figure size, verify profile consistency. safety dimension, maintain protection zones, and space securement, prevent interference. The results are displayed with clear visual indicators. OK items remain unchanged, while NG items are highlighted in specific colors for easy identification. If the quantity in the 3D model does not match the parts list, the corresponding cell in Excel will automatically turn red. Another key update is Excel integration. You can now verify part quantities against the BOM. Blade check is a new command in CADmeister 2025. It can be launched from the command icon or directly from Excel. This command provides three main checking functions. 1. Steel material size check. Verifies that the actual steel solid size matches the dimensions in the parts list. 2. Installation error prevention measure. Helps prevent assembly errors by checking bolt hole and location hole positions, including hole pitch. Users can define bolt and knock hole templates. Specific holes can also be excluded by assigning an exclusive color. Three, attachment hole-to-hole distance check. Checks distances between holes and from holes to the part profile. This helps prevent insufficient wall thickness and unintended breakthrough. The Output Images option allows you to export images of the inspected parts. In the results, parts with potential issues are highlighted in red and marked as NG. The system also displays results for each checking condition. 1. Steel material size check. 2. Installation error prevention measure.
When click at NG line, measurement results window will show up and also highlight issue part. That will be very useful to identify issue part.
3. Attachment hole-to-hole distance check.
Result from this option? It will display only highlight at issue attachment hole area.
And also will update results in reference Excel file automatically.
Another update in CADmeister 2025 is enhancement of the parts part size check command. When standard parts used for checking already include predefined machining features, these features can be automatically transferred to target CAD data during checking process. Normally, assigning machining features to each surface must be done manually, which requires significant time and effort depending on the number of surfaces. In previous demo, this command was mainly demonstrated in conjunction with an Excel file. However, this command can also be used independently without requiring integration with Excel. To address this, the option Set Machining Feature Automatically has been introduced in the Parts Part Size Check command. With this option, machining features can be assigned automatically, helping to significantly reduce manual work. In addition, this option includes sub-functions.
1. Overwriting existing machining features on the target object. 2. Assigning machining features even if the target object is judged as NG.
As a result, the overall time for design and manufacturing can be reduced.
After completing verification, the data can be directly used as machining data in CAM structure. This ensures a smooth workflow from design verification to CAM preparation, allowing users to proceed without interruption while maintaining consistency in machining setup.